from Oldham College. And what we're going to do today is have a look at the MK Rapid Fix sockets, and we're going to do a time trial just to see whether these are so much quicker than using a conventional socket.
Hi, I'm Alex Transfield. I am an apprentice electrician and I'm just coming out of my time, got my AM2 due soon, and Dave is my lecturer.
This is the new MK Rapid Fix. When you look at it from the front, it's exactly the same as the Logic. The big thing is when you turn it over, you've got little levers there. All you do is you need to pull the lever up, push the wire in and close it down. We've got a guide here which tells you what length of cable you need to strip off, and it will take 3 4mm cables on each one. Thing is the fact of ease of connection. You're not playing around with screws. Trying to get screws into the back of 2 cables or 3 cables into the back of one of these. In fact, you can't fit 3 cables in, but you can with this. And speed again is going to be the thing, and security of connections. Yeah. You're not going to get loose connections on it. You can't.
Mechanical soundness as well can be avoided, as it's all the same, same tightness. But these, it always varies on who's installing it. So
a lot less likely to get faults.
So a lot of faults are from arcing, if people breaking cable over tightening. So possibility of there being a fault, which obviously takes out of the equation now. It's simply push fit, and you can't over tight cables, you can't break the cables, as it's just a standard push fit. So it gives me a benefit in speed and time, and in case there was a fault, it also takes that out of the equation, meaning I'd have to sort the fault out. So yeah.
Oh mate, your legacy's on the line here, you know what I mean? Dave, come on man.
No, stripped all them down, and they're now ready for the installation. So it's only a matter of just getting the terminal screws out the back of the driver. It's a matter of just popping them off like that. Just so if you don't want to forget those whilst you put the socket on. And then it's simply a matter of getting your neutral terminal, pushing that in. It's a lock, fixed. That will not come out now. And the same with the other 2 terminals. In the earth, just get that locked in. That was locked in, and then same with the live. Now that live is locked in. So that one is fully ready to screw back.
How have you found that compared to installing other sockets in the past?
Oh, miles quicker. That would save plenty of time. By the time you do, I'd say about 2 or 3 of those, it takes you to do one or the other. Just because of the time of you having to get your screwdriver out. It might not sound long, but having to look for tools, search around your pockets and just get it, click it on and done. It saves a lot of time. It's a lot of problem solving, which has been avoided, especially if you can't find your screwdrivers or you lost them. That's another problem solved. Last glue. Just a quick tighten up on either side, and then just quick that, just to make sure they're operating correct. And yeah, all done.
My name's Adam Walker. I'm a second year apprentice, but finished my level 3 in college now. And I'm working for R&M Electrical Services. Just be connecting these up, it looks like there's 5 there in total. So just a small ring made. So we've got the links between them already put in. And that's it really, there's nothing to any feed, but we'll pretend there's one there. So.
Very good. Breathe now, Adam.
I know, I was holding my breath.
Okay guys, you've both done your time trials. Alex, what's your impression of the rapid fix?
It's a lot quicker, you know, in case you ever need to take them off or put them on, miles quicker. You know, you don't have to get a screwdriver out and start tampering with the terminal screws. You know, it's good. Saves a lot of time.
I'd say how quick it is to disconnect it.
Yeah. All it is a matter of just clicking that on. You know, same with the earth, and then same with the neutral. Simple. A few seconds. Then got to put it back on and show you again.
I think my biggest question would be, if you had to go out and buy your own materials, would you buy them?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, in terms of
I
time.
think that's going to be the...
Well, yeah. Yeah, because in the long run, if you're doing, you know, if you're in a full house or a commercial block, and you're going to have, you know, realistically a few thousand of these and a few thousand of the standard ones, these are going to save you double time, you know what I mean, in the long run, so definitely worth it.
And I think it's not just the time on the installation, it's the time on if you get a fault, you having poor connections,
well, you're less
having
likely
to
to
go back round. It's,
yeah.
So Adam, what did you think of the conventional, the standard MK?
Yeah, they were good. Like I said at the beginning, there's a lot of space there between your live neutral and earth, so you're not struggling. Obviously the connections in there are nice as well, so it's nice and easy to get them in and they are strong, and there's enough screw space.
So let's give us a very quick comparison. How long does it take to disconnect yours?
So first of all, getting it in.
This is where nerves takes over. So you can see a comparison there. Which one would you buy, Adam?
I'd go for them as well. Like Alex said, just the time that it saves, ridiculous. So.
And the easiness.
The easiness too.
Thank you very much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed our product review of the MK Rapid Fix socket. And if you want to see more product reviews and more information, please have a look at SPARKS Magazine's social media site. Thank you.